Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Command Prompt as administrator so changes apply reliably. Once opened, type prompt and press Enter to confirm the current prompt format. Next, you'll inspect current color by running the color command with no arguments. It lists available codes. Make sure to keep a note of the current values before changing them so you can restore later. This prepares you to make controlled edits. Proceed to assign new color codes in the next step. You now pick two hexadecimal-like digits where the first is background and the second is text. For example, type colors 0A and press Enter to set black background and light green text immediately. If you see no change, make sure you didn't include spaces or extra characters. You can experiment with other combos quickly. Type color without parameters to show the legend again. Remember that some combinations reduce readability, so choose contrasting colors and test legibility on your monitor. You finish by making the change persist. Right-click the Command Prompt shortcut, open Properties, and set colors on the Colors tab so every launch uses them. Alternatively, create a BAT file with a color XY line and place a shortcut to it in your startup folder so the session opens with your palette. If colors reset unexpectedly, check if you're using Windows Terminal or another emulator that overrides settings, or if group policies prevent customization. Adjust accordingly and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.